Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 5. So in that we'll continue with the exercise 10.3. We already done two questions. So here this says simplify the following using, this is the formula given. You have to use this one and you have to simplify. So this is the question given. So in this case what we have to consider, now this is A, this is B. So here we can say, because now can you see this 2A, this both are the same. And these both are the same. So we don't have to look at the sign, only this part. So what we can say here A is 2A and B is 3B. So this thing, if you know, we can put the values there. So now you are going to use this one, this formula. So this is equal to, that means 4AB. So now we know what is A and what is B. So 4 into A is, we have taken that as 2A and B is 3B. From this one, we have considered A as 2A and B as 3B. So this is going to be 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and this will be AB. So here means this is all multiplication. So the answer is 24AB. Same here, we are going to use the same formula. This is the question given. So A is 5A and B is here 4B. So the same formula which is given here. So this is equal to 4AB, means 4 into A is 5A and B is 4B. So this is going to be 80 and this will be AB. Same here, A is 9x and B is 5y. This is the formula given. So this is equal to 4AB. So 4 into this 9x and 5y. So this is 180 and this will be xy. Same here, you can see this A is 15A and B is 7B. So here you will put your 4 into 15A into 7B. That is going to be, this is going to be 420 AB. So see that you write the proper steps so that the things are, this will be easier, the calculation part will be easier. Now here they said evaluate using A plus B whole bracket square. So now look at here, this is the question given. So you have to bring this in the form of A plus B. So what will be the easier one? So we can make this as 100 plus 4 for 104. So here the A is 100 and this B is 4. So now A plus B whole bracket square means the formula, when you expand this one, this is A plus B. This you should know, this is the standard form. So that will be A plus B whole bracket square. That is going to be A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is what you have to remember. And A minus B whole bracket square will be A square minus 2AB plus B square. All is the same, but in place of this plus, here it becomes minus. These two formulas you have to remember, but we don't have to use A minus B whole bracket square, but here A plus B whole bracket square. So this is the formula used, and now we know what is A and what is B. So A is 100, so 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 4 plus 4 square. So this is going to be 100 square, means the square means these are 2, means square of it means there will be 4 zeros. This is going to be, now this is together because 2AB. So this will be 800 and this 4 square means 4 into 4, that is going to be 16. So now it becomes easier to add all this one. So that will be 10,816. Same here, now when it is 103 square, 100 plus 3. So A is 100 and B is 3. Same formula, you are going to use A plus B whole bracket square. That will be A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is the what you have to learn. So 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square, which will be, here will be 10,000 plus here that will be 600, this together plus this is going to be 9. So add all together, that will be 10,609. So now for 54 square, we can make 50 plus 4 whole bracket square. So A is 50 and B is 4. So again the same formula we are going to use, like in the values. So that is going to be 50 square will be 5 5s are 25 and 2 zeros here. So 2500. This together, that is going to be 400 plus 16. Add it. So 2916. Here again 52 square, 50 plus 2 whole bracket square, this will A is 50 and B is 2. Same formula. So the steps are the same. You can have a look at this one. Now look at here, 10, this is 10.1 square. So you can write a 10 plus 0.1. So if you are confused with this, 10 means the whole number, that is 10.0. And here 0.1 means below this point there will be point. So when you add this, that is going to be 10.1. So this step is very important. So A is going to be 10 and B is going to be 0.1. Again the same formula. So 10 square plus 2 into 10 into 0.1, and this is going to be 0.1 square. So 10 square means 10 into 10, 100. So here will be 20. 20 into 0.1. 20 into 0.1 means it should be 20. But there is a point means you will put here. After this one, there is a point. So after one number you will go. That will be 2.0 means that is going to be just 2. And here 0.1 into 0.1. So that is going to be 1. But this 1 plus 1, that is going to be after two numbers. So we have only one number. So we'll put a 0 and that will be 0.01. So this is very important. So here now when you add this, this will be 102. 102 means 102.00 also we can write 0.01. When you add it, so that will be 102.01. So be careful with this step. Again here 10.2, the same thing here. Instead of 1, that is 2. 10 plus 0.2. That will be B, this will be 0.2. So A square plus 2AB plus B square, plug in the values. So here will be 100. See here, now this is going to be 20. 20 into 0.2. So that is going to be 40. But here after one number we are going to put a decimal. So that will be 4. And this will be 0.2 into 0.2. That is going to be 0.04. So when you add this one, that is going to be 104.04. Now here to that was A, you have to evaluate using A plus B square. Now here you have to evaluate using A minus B square. So I told you the formula for A minus B square, everything is the same. Only in place of that plus, this here is minus, rest all is the same. So this formula we are going to use. So first thing, now let us expand this one first in the form of, let us bring an A and B form. So this for the easy calculation, what we can do for 97, we can write 100 minus 3. So here A will be 100 and B is going to be 3. So A minus B, this formula you are going to use. So 100 square, this minus is important, 2 into 100 into 3 plus this one plus 3 square. So this is going to be 10,000. This is going to be 600, but that will be minus 600, this together. And this is going to be 3 square will be 9. So here either you add this one and then subtract it, or you subtract it and then add. That is going to be 9409. Now here 98 square will be 100 minus 2 square. So A is going to be 100 and B is going to be 2. Same formula you are going to use here. So this is going to be 100 square. A will be 100 and B will be 2 plus 2 square. So this will be 10,000. This will be minus 400 plus 4. When you solve this one, you get 9604. Now for this one, we can use 49 square means we can use 50 minus 1 whole bracket square. So A should be 50 and B should be 1. The same formula for A minus B whole bracket square. So now you will plug in the values. We know what is A and what is B. So this will be 2500 minus 100 plus 1. So it will be 2401. Here again 48 square means you can write 50 minus 2 whole bracket square. This will be A will be 50 and B is going to be 2. So now this will be the formula. So this will be 50 square minus 2, 50 into 2 plus 2 square. So this should be 2500. This will be 200 and this is going to be 4. When you solve this part, it should be 2304. Now this is in the point 9.9 can be written as 10 minus 0.1. So this A will be 10 and B is going to be 0.1. We'll use the same formula. So 10 square minus 2 into A is 10 and B is 0.1. And this will be 0.1 square. So this will be 100. When you solve this one, this will be 20. 20 into 0.1 means that is going to be just 2. 2.0 means 2. And this will be 0.1 into 0.1, that will be 0.01. So the answer is going to be 98.01. For 9.8, we can write here 10 minus 0.2 and whole bracket square. So A is 10, B is 0.2. Same formula. Put the values. And this is the answer. Now here they said evaluate using A plus B and A minus B. So for this one, A plus B and A minus B, that is going to be A square minus B square. So either it can be A plus B, A minus B, or it will be A minus B and A plus B. Both is the same because this is multiplication in between. Because if we write here 5 into 3, that is 15. And even if you write 3 into 5, that is 15 in case of multiplication. You can write it either ways. So A plus B, A minus B. So that is what you have to write. That will be A square minus B square. Now let us see here. Because we want two brackets. So for 59, we can write here 60 minus 1. Because you can see here 59 and 61. So for this one, we have to see that both of them, this and this, the first term should be the same. And also the second term should be the same. So for 59, we can write 60 minus 1. So that is going to be 59. And because this is 60, this also should be 60. So 61, we can write 60 plus 1. So this step is very important. So now the A is 60 and B is 1. So now we are going to use by this one and nothing, no other formula will be used because they said evaluate using this A plus B and A minus B. So A plus B and A minus B, that is going to be A square minus B square. Now we know what is A and B. So that is going to be 60 square minus 1 square. So 60 square means 6 6 are 36 and 2 zeros. And this will be 1. So that will be 3599. Again, this one 100 into 98, we can write 100 plus 2 and 100 minus 2 because now these both are same, these both are same. So A is 100 and B is 2. Same formula. So that is going to be 100 square minus 2 square. So this is going to be 10,000 minus 4. That will be 9996. For this one, we can write 50 minus 2 and this we can write here 50 plus 2. So A is 50 and B is 2. So same formula, this is going to be 50 square minus this 2 square. So this is going to be 2500 minus 4. So which is going to be 2496. Again for this one 100 plus 3 and this we can write here 100 minus 3. A is 100 and B is 3. So we can write here same formula will be used, that will be 100 square minus 3 square. So this is going to be 10,000 minus 9, which will be 9991. Here we can write here 50 minus 1. Here we can write here 50 plus 1. So A is 50 and B is 1. So here A plus B and A minus B, that will be A square minus B square. So 50 square minus 1 square. The answer should be 2499. Again here it is already given. Now this was in multiplication here. Here it is given in the form of A square minus B square. So we can consider this A as 61 and B as 60 here. So A square minus B square, we can write here A plus B. So this is slightly different. This is the reverse of it. This was given and then we had to write this one. So here it is directly in this form, A square minus B square. We can write A plus B and A minus B. So both ways you have to remember the formula. So A is 61 plus 60 and here will be 61 minus 60. So here will be, when you add this should be 121 and this is going to be just 1. So 121 into 1, that is going to be 121. Again here same, it is in the form of A square minus B square. So A is 73 and B is 72. So a square minus b square means a plus b and a minus b. So a is 73, b is 72. 73 and 72, that you have to subtract it. When you add this, that should be 145 and this will be 1. So answer is 145. Same here, 76, 24. Use this formula, plug in the values. So this should be 100 and this should be 52. So this will be 52 and the 52 and 2 zeros, that will be 5200. Same here, this the formula should be used. 57 plus 43, 57 minus 50, 43, sorry. So this will be 100 and this will be 14. So 14 ones are 14 and 2 zeros. Now here they said given x plus y is equal to 13 and xy is equal to 22 and you have to find the value of x square plus y square. So now in this is slightly different. So how to get x square plus y square? So here we have x plus y is equal to 13. So we know the formula x plus y whole bracket square. So same thing, that is a plus b whole bracket square or x plus y whole bracket square, that is going to be the same. So you know the formula for this, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here same place in a there is x and in place of b there is y. So that should be x square plus 2xy plus y square. So this thing we can just rearrange because this is plus. We can bring it this here, x square plus y square plus 2xy. Also we can write, because why did I write this one? Because we want to find the value of x square plus y square. So this thing I brought it here. So the rest all is the same. So now we know the value of x plus y is equal to 13. So x plus y is equal to 13. So square of it. So this will be the same, 2. And we know the value of xy, that is given as 22. So in place of this one, we'll write 22. We can put a bracket, that means this is multiplication. So 13 square means 13 into 13, that will be 169. This both the same. This will be 44. So now this is plus 44. If it comes on this side, that is going to be minus 44. This stays the same. And this is also the same, it is on the right hand side. So this will be 125 is equal to x square plus y square. That is what there was, the value of x square plus y square, that is 125. Now here they have given x minus y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 36. Find the value of x square plus y square. All is the same, only the value of x minus y is given, then x plus y was given. So in this case, because x minus y is given, we have to change the formula. That will be, this is the standard formula. We have to use this formula, x plus y whole bracket square minus x minus y whole bracket square is equal to 4xy. So this formula you have to learn. So now you know this is x. Once you have given this formula, you know this is the common one, that is a plus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x plus y whole bracket square means x square plus 2xy plus y square after expanding this one. This stays the same. This also will write the same first. So now we are going to plug in the values. We don't know what is x square. 2 will write as it is. You know xy. Xy is 36. So in place of xy, we write 36. We don't know what is y square. This minus as it is. And x minus y we know, that is 5. So we'll write a 5 square and is equal to 4 as it is. Xy is 36, that is given here. So x square as it is, this will be, this means multiplication, that is going to be 72 plus y square minus here 5 square will be 25 is equal to, when you multiply this you get 144. So what are you going to write here? X square, this y square, will take it together because we want x square plus y square. This will be, this is already on the right hand side, so this will be, stays the same. This will go on the other side, so plus 72 will be minus 72 and minus 25 is going to be plus 25. Or you can do one step, this will solve separately on the left side and then move to the next step, that is this, not this one. So this will be already solved in the on the left hand side. So anyways you can do for this step. So here will be x square plus y square. So when you solve this one you get 97. That is what they were asked. Given x square plus y square is equal to 74 and xy is equal to 35 and you have to find the value of x plus y. So now we can again here, we can start with this formula because x square plus y square is equal to 74 given and you have to find the value of x plus y. So we have to decide which formula to use. So here these problems are a bit tricky, I can say. Only the formulas to what to be used should be kept in mind. So now we can use x plus y whole bracket square, this formula. So because we want x plus y, so you know that is when you expand that you get x square plus 2xy plus y square. So this stays the same. Again, what I did, this is my extra step. So x square plus y square, I brought it together, and this will be at the last term. So now this x plus y whole bracket square. So now we know x square plus y square is 74. So this, for this one we have written here 74 and plus 2 here, and this is, for this one xy is 35. So this stays the same. This will be 74 and this is going to be, this is multiplication, that is going to be 70. So x plus y whole bracket square will be 144. So now see here, this is the step what you have to remember now. So now we don't want x plus y whole bracket square, we just want x plus y. So what are we going to do? We are going to square both the sides. So now when you square this and this goes off. So what happened here remains is just x plus y, but square root of 144, it's a perfect square, but we have to write this one whenever it's like this, we have to write plus or minus 12 and not just 12. So just remember this, we have to write plus or minus 12. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.